When a Muslim sneezes, what does he say? He says, Alhamdulillah, he praises the Almighty. And then his companion, the one close to him, says, Yarhamukallah, may Allah have mercy on you. So he prays for the mercy of the Almighty upon his companion. And then the one who sneezed the first time responds to that supplication by saying, Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum. May Allah guide you and set your affairs in order. Subhanallah. So the life of a believer is full of supplications upon supplications. Barakallahu fikum. May Allah bless you as you share this video for others to learn.